Minister, thank you for joining us today. First of all, a hugely significant event. Here we are, the 50th UN Tourism Anniversary here in Riyadh.
Yes.
You just elected a new Secretary General,
Yes.
a woman
Yep.
from the UAE.
Yes.
Describe the significance of this.
We had a very active day and a long day, very heavy agenda, and we were happy to elect the first woman SG for the UN tourism. And she's the youngest, and therefore the youngest SG, and therefore this is a big news for Riyadh, for women. Women represent about 40% of this industry globally, and they have a very vital role in every single process, whether in the airlines or the airports or in the hotels. Many chairmen and CEOs of big groups, hotel groups and others are women, and therefore time comes to elect a woman Secretary General to drive this organization in the future. And we were very happy to have the first woman SG elected here in Riyadh.
And here we are, celebrating 50 years. Now we're looking forward. You are a man of great vision. I really get a sense that we're about to embark upon a new chapter for tourism. What does that mean to you?
We have a lot of opportunities, but in the same time we have big challenges. I believe we should work together. We have been inviting the private sector to join the governments in driving this sector in the future. We as a governments establish the rules and the regulations, and the private sector put the investments, invest, build and operate. And therefore we governments cannot work in silos without the close coordination with the private sector. Sustainability is a challenge. We will overcome this challenge. Connectivity is a challenge. Many countries are not connected today, and therefore we will make sure in the future those countries who needs the job are well connected and working together. The private sector and the government sector is a challenge, but Saudi Arabia have been working very hard in the last 5 years to bridge this gap and to get the private sector to work closely with the government sector. I think I'm very optimistic about the future. Our industry is growing rapidly. We continue to create jobs. We have been creating 1 in every 10 jobs in the past. It is expected that this sector will create 1 in every 3 jobs in 2035.
Mr. You've been traveling the world, and this event has very much been about welcoming the world to Saudi, but you have been also taking Saudi to the world. How important is it that we have that symbiotic relationship?
It's very important. I've been to 121 countries in my life, and I love to travel, and I think it is very important that we travel, we meet, we understand other people culture and about other people opinion. We listen to them. We make sure through our presence in the Executive Council, in the UN Tourism, or in the WTCC or any other organization, that the smaller countries' voice and opinions are heard. And therefore we have been the advocate for the Caribbean, the Pacific, Latin America, Africa, who will need to expand this industry within their countries.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.